Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to unfollow multiple pages on the Facebook app for PC after the new update. If your feed feels cluttered and you're seeing too many posts from pages you no longer engage with, this quick guide will help you clean things up in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once it's open, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage all kinds of preferences related to your account and content. From there, click on Content Preferences. This section is designed to help you take control of what shows up in your feed so you always see the posts that matter most to you. After opening Content Preferences, look for the option that says Unfollow People and Groups. Click on it. You'll now see a list of pages, people, and groups you currently follow on Facebook. Here's where the cleanup begins. Go through the list and find the pages you want to unfollow. To do this, simply click on the small icon next to each page's name. The icon will change to show that you've unfollowed that page. Repeat this step for as many pages as you like. It's that simple. No need to visit each page individually or scroll endlessly through your feed. You can manage all your follows in one place with just a few clicks. Once you've finished, you'll instantly notice a cleaner, more personalized feed every time you log in. You'll still be connected to the pages you've chosen to keep, but without all the extra content cluttering your timeline. And that's how you unfollow multiple pages on the Facebook app for PC using the latest update. Thanks for watching.